I'm just making another video of this game. Yeah. Just a normal video of this game. Oh no! 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 Oh, that was close. So I played this game before in another video. And thanks for 250 subs. So here we go. Oh wait, did I make it? No, I didn't. I thought I made it. Alright, train. Don't really know where to go. I think they updated it no, it said it was updated in 2018, so I need to find a different spot. I'm just gonna get on the coal tender, maybe on it. Well, not what I wanted to happen. I wanted to look for a spot. Well, jumped on accident. Don't jump. We're at the crossing. Okay. This is how I survived it last time. I just kept on, stayed here. I think it'll work again. And it almost did. How the heck are we gonna get over there to the jets? I don't really know where to go now. If that didn't work. I might as well find a good spot. Look around. Can I stand on these? Oh, I can! Wait, this is actually a really good spot. Let's just stay on the front until we make it. Everybody's just riding on top of it. Alright. Wait, what was that? I saw a guy right there. For some reason I saw a guy right there. Well, there's a new train. I don't know the safest. I think I'm gonna try out the coal tender. Maybe that's really safe. I'm gonna try the coal tender. So just whoa! Don't push. Oh, I'm in the coal tender. Maybe this will work. This is the last. Wait, look! I want to see that guy. Wait, is he a guy in the server? No. Wait. Yeah, he is. I just needed to see that. I have to die now. Why is he just standing there? Oh. Let's try the coal tender. I didn't really get a change. Whoa. Thought I was moving. Wait, no. No, wait. Ah. No. Ah. Oops. I'm gonna go to the back and lay down right here. Oh no. What? No. I really want the jets. The jets are fun. turn it up. It's kind of volume is kind of low. I don't actually know where. Maybe the safest spot is right here. Like, I don't know. Oh, it's starting to move. Or moving. Dang, I'm stuck right here. Unless I jump. Yeah, I'm now on the here. Okay, good. We're on the back. All I can. This is how I survived, I think, because it worked in the last video. No, what? Does the game really like me? It just teleported me there, and then I got hit by a sea. Oh. Wait, that's a good spot. Wait, let's try that spot again. We have to keep trying it until it works, because I think that's the safest spot. Okay. This is the only place we're going to stay if we want to survive really easily. Go. Don't jump. Don't jump. That's dangerous. I'm the only one on the train. I'm not even trying to do that. I'm going to stay right here. Wait, I'm not going to. I think that guy fell off. Are you... Okay, I'm going to ride the train. On the back. And this should work. Because I have a plan. But I just need to get to the back for it to work. Yes, I just need to make sure my plan is when we're right near the tracks. On the tracks, we can jump off onto the rails. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready! Let's go! Go, 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 go. No! Fell off. Wait, that's actually good. I can just go. Sky's still here. Maybe I can just run. Let's wait for the next train. And then we'll just go run over there. I think I faintly heard the railroad crossing, so it should be going by now. I hear it. It's coming. I hear it. There it is. There it is. That's the next train. Oh no! It's gonna hit me a piece though. It's gonna hit me with a piece. Maybe not. Yeah, no pieces. Pieces are flying around it. Can you make sure I run over there before the train gets here? Hopefully I make it in time. There's a good chance. Just have to go quick. What the thing? It really wants you to use the train. I might have to use the train. Dang, this is a long video already. There goes the train. You might as well get off soon. Let's just get on it. Whoa. Let's just get on the coupler. This is actually a pretty good spot, I think. As long as we're in front. Okay, guys. We're coming. Oh no, there's a guy about to block. He got rammed. Dang, I saw the train going upwards, but that's it. Whoa! Yes! Yes! Or no. Yes! Yes! Go! Checkpoint, checkpoint, checkpoint. Yay! I actually did it. Now, I can get... Oh. Wait, there was a path right there when I played it yesterday. No, that was when I made the chicken video. There was a path right there. Look! Look, do you see that? Look, this one's more further. This one must have been moved. Ah, this one doesn't work. I have to get in this one. Yes, I hear it. We can stop the train. It didn't crash. I have to use... Oh, I'm gonna try and do something. What happens if I go straight down? Or straight up? Okay, this one really doesn't like moving. Probably should use this one now. I'm gonna... What? Wait, why is it doing that? Oh no, oh no. I need to destroy that. Now that one is really destroyed. Wait a second. I need to read the instructions of the helicopter so I know how to go up and down. Why is this freaking jet not moving? I'm gonna use a heli. It says left shift to go up and down. I should have used that. Oh. Are you kidding me? No. No. Dang. I seriously don't like what's going on. Freaking helis. Okay, good. We're going. Wait a second. Wait. I'm pressing L shift. I'm pressing left shift. But I'm only going up while I'm pressing left shift. Weird. How do I go down with left shift? Look, I'm only going up. Dang, that's weird. Now, jump! Fall. Oh, that was close. I'm just gonna wait for it at the crossing. don't see it. The crossing's gonna ding though once. Like, if it's coming, I know that. But, oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. There it is. Got on my face. I'm inside of the train. And I heard it. I might as well end the video. So guys, goodbye.